What is a computer? Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Ever wonder what makes your computer, tablet, or phone actually work? It seems like magic, right? It's not just a magic box. Well, today, we're going to pull back the curtain and explore the incredible world of computers and the super smart boss that runs the whole show, the operating system. It's way cooler than you think, and by the end of this video, you'll be a tech whiz. So, grab your favorite device, get comfortable, and let's dive into the digital universe together. Are you ready to unlock the secrets behind the screen? It has a body, which we call hardware, and a mind, which we call software. These parts work together to bring your digital world to life. Whether you're acing a school project, exploring a new game, or just browsing the web. So, the next time you power up your device, remember you're interacting with a complete system, body and mind, ready to follow your commands and help you create amazing things. So, let's break down the difference between hardware and software. Let's get started. The hardware is all the physical stuff you can see and touch: the screen you're watching this on, the keyboard you type with, and the mouse you click. You can actually touch it. Software, on the other hand, is a set of instructions and programs that tell the hardware what to do. It's the apps you use for chatting with friends, the games you play, and the tools you use for homework. One can't work without the other. Hardware gives software a home, and software gives hardware a purpose. It's the ultimate team up. Now, let's look closer at hardware versus software. Imagine you're building with Legos. The colorful bricks you hold in your hand are like the hardware, they are the physical parts. You can stack them, connect them, and build amazing structures. But what tells you what to build? That's where the instruction manual comes in. The manual is like the software. It gives you the step-by-step guide to turn those simple bricks into a spaceship or a castle. On your computer, the hardware is the mouse, the keyboard, and the monitor. The software includes all your favorite apps like TikTok, Minecraft, or Google Docs. The hardware is the body. Inside, there's a brain called the CPU, which does all the heavy thinking. The software, on the other hand, is a set of instructions and programs that tell the hardware what to do. And the software is the mind that tells the body what actions to perform. So, if software tells hardware what to do, who tells all the software how to work together? Meet the operating system, or OS for short. The OS is the master controller, the main boss of the entire computer. Think of it as a super helpful translator. It's the invisible magic that brings the machine to life, letting you play games, do homework, and watch videos. So remember, every computer, big or small, has a body hardware and a mind software working together. Now, you click an icon to open a game. You're giving a command. The OS takes that command, translates it into a language the computer's hardware can understand, and makes sure your game starts up. It manages everything from the files you save to the music you play. Without the OS, your computer would just be a box of confusing parts. The OS is a friendly manager that makes everything run smoothly. You've definitely seen operating systems before, even if you didn't know their names. The most popular ones are all around us. For laptops and desktop computers, you'll mostly find Microsoft Windows with its famous 4-pane window logo, and Apple's MacOS, known for its sleek and simple design. When it comes to mobile devices, the two giants are Google's Android, represented by its friendly brain robot, and Apple's iOS, which powers iPhones and iPads. Each one has its own look and feel, but they all do the same important job. They act as a bridge between you and your device, making powerful technology easy and fun to use every single day. So, how does an OS make your life easier? Imagine you're trying to do a bunch of things at once. You are writing a school report, listening to your favorite playlist, and video chatting with your best friend. It sounds chaotic, but your OS is like a master multitasker working behind the scenes. It cleverly manages the computer's memory and processing power, making sure each app gets what it needs to run without crashing. It juggles all these tasks flawlessly so you can switch between your document, your music, and your video call in a snap. It's a friendly layer that turns a complex machine of circuits and code into a user-friendly tool that anyone can use, from a young kid playing their first educational game to a teen designing their own digital art. The OS is what makes technology accessible, helpful, and fun for everyone, empowering us all to learn. Thanks to the OS, your device can handle everything you throw at it, making you a multitasking superstar. And there you have it, a peek inside the amazing world of computers and operating systems. We've learned that a computer is made of a physical body, the hardware, and an intelligent mind, the software. The operating system is a special software that acts as a boss, connecting the two and making our devices friendly and powerful. From Windows and macOS to Android and iOS, these systems are the unsung heroes that let us work, play, and connect with each other effortlessly. They are the magic that makes technology accessible to everyone. We hope this journey into the digital realm was as exciting for you as it was for us. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Until next time, stay curious.